Senior drivers, those above 50, have higher chances of getting low-cost car insurance than drivers of a different age group because companies consider senior drivers as low-risk ones and less prone to accidents. As a result, car insurance for senior drivers is relatively cheap. Providers do not offer them low-cost coverage policies just because they are old. It's also because they have more experience and are more capable of preventing accidents. The basis for low-priced coverages is not drawn from plain opinion. Statistics indicates that elders do not tend to be involved in road accidents. This is probably because they do not have the same energy as younger ones have. Elders tend to drive more slowly and carefully. Some of them may have encountered road accidents at a younger age, too, and therefore, have decided to be more careful when they are behind the wheel. However, just because you are 60 does not mean you can always avail of a discount car insurance. Aside from your age, another compelling factor that determines the cost of your vehicle insurance is your driving history. No matter how old you are, if you have been involved in a number of accidents in the past, or if you have been caught driving under the influence, you should not expect your coverage to come cheap. Some insurance firms may not put their prime consideration on age when assigning the cost of coverages. One reason is that older people have poorer sensory capabilities and have slower motor responses and reflexes. Companies may think that your reduced ability to react to road dangers can put you at a greater risk. This means that some companies may provide inexpensive coverages while others may not. It's advisable to actually get quotes from different insurance companies just to be sure. One issue with older vehicle coverage holders is that they may make claims on their insurance at some point. Statistical data indicate that drivers above 70 years old are more likely to make a claim on their coverage than those below 50. This is why providers increase the premiums of drivers above 70 and usually, companies do not have coverage for drivers above 80 years of age. Gender is another issue. Most providers will consider women more for low-priced vehicle coverage than men. This is because there are more men than women involved in road accidents. Companies assume that if you are a man, young or old, you are more likely to get claims due to accidents. Vehicle insurance firms are not biased in favor of women just because they are women. Female car owners do not usually drive long distances. Their low mileage makes them less vulnerable to accidents. Women are also careful drivers. Hence, they have a lesser chance of crashing into another person's car. If women ever get into trouble, it's usually just a minor accident. That means their coverage claims tend to be lower. Elder drivers should figure out when to give up driving. At some point, your driving efficiency becomes too affected by your age that driving becomes a risky task for